Very nice classic truck, man. It looks great. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. You built this?
Yeah, me and him, we built it.
Awesome job. Hey, what's up, man? I remember you. It's been a little while.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So what is y'all, what's the name of the owner and the system and everything in here?
My name's Jose Farias.
Okay.
And then me and John built it.
Okay.
We've done all the work to it.
Awesome. So all the equipment, specs of the box, do y'all know all of that? Go for it. Go for it.
Go ahead, John.
Motor, 4 DC level 412s on a, what is it? JP what?
45? Oh, that's the 4 channel in the back.
Right behind me.
Oh, back behind. Okay. Is it just one amp on the subs, or you got multiple?
One amp.
No,
Okay.
the one's in the bottom.
Nice.
That's first. I guess vibration took off.
Yeah, base will break everything.
Yeah.
And this is a 4th order?
Yes, sir.
Looks like what? What's the ratio on it? The cubic space tuning.
The space on it, do you know?
Remember that? You don't remember? It's all right. What is the frequency range it's liking?
Well, you never
It's probably tuned at 32. I forgot what it was, but we try to be musical about it.
Got it. Okay. Yes, sir. Very nice. Have y'all ever SPL tested it?
Not yet. We just got done with it
Really?
last week.
Y'all already got cracked glass?
Yeah.
Man, it's really good. And is there anything that goes over that while you're driving?
Nope. It stays like that.
So it's not, is it waterproof, water resistant, or is it you got to keep it kind of controlled where you park
I
it?
try to keep it in the garage, but
Yeah.
I mean, it is water resistant.
Yes, sir.
I don't get any water through here. It's all sealed.
Wow.
You know.
That's
This-
impressive.
You know, they're lithium. We didn't want to get water in them, so
Yeah.
it's sealed completely.
Okay. That's pretty clean. So if y'all got to get in here, what do you remove?
I want to remove this plexiglass.
Okay.
We just kind of wedge something in, and if we ever have to, we just wedge something and kind of pry it off.
Got it. Okay.
Just glue it on.
And if you got to get in the box, the same thing?
These come out.
Okay.
This is half inch of plexiglass.
Okay. What level DC audio subs?
Fours.
Level 4s, okay. And then the amplifiers are all right here.
They're all in the back.
Okay. There you go, that's your fuses. And then the other one, I know you said you couldn't open it. I
Yeah,
can
I
see it
know.
a little bit. It's all right. So you've got JP84s, a JP54.
And then my big amp is down here.
Okay, what side? Do you remember that number?
I think it was like a 6,000 watt amp.
Okay,
It was-
JP63.
Yeah.
It's a 63 green. Green, right? Or black?
blue.
Blue, okay.
Yeah.
Everything's blue. It
Yeah,
looks good.
blue. Yeah, I mean, we try to keep it tight.
Yeah.
Ain't done yet.
Yeah, and it
We're
looks
still-
good.
We're still working on it. I gotta build a center console with 2 tins,
Okay.
mids in here.
Yeah.
But I'm actually ordering new seats and I'm waiting on them to come in.
Okay.
These are just temporarily for demo.
What vehicle? Because this is really old
This
school.
is an 87 GMC Sierra.
87. Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay. So your bass amp's at the bottom.
Yep.
You've got your
4 channels for the rear with the 12
for the rear,
chins.
and then this is for the doors.
One's powering the 8s on the doors, and the other one's powering the 10s in the back.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Really clean,
There's
crisp.
another amp underneath all that, which is taking
Underneath?
underneath the DSP and everything's underneath all that.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Wow, y'all put a lot in this vehicle.
Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. Very nice classic truck, man. It looks great. Woo.
We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun then. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Why run? And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Man, that's some pressure for the doors open.
Yeah.
Sounds really good.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you, man. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for showing me. Nice to meet you.